Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Lynn, and in today's video, we're going to be doing some cleaning. Around here, we make a lot of homemade cleaning products. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all what this little can do. Today, it's all about the filters in our hood vent. This is what we've already got it to look like, but I'm going to show y'all what it looked like when we started and what this stuff can do in your kitchen. It's not just for bathrooms. Y'all come on. So here we go. Now we just took it out and it does look bad. I'm going to coat it real good and let it sit for a few minutes before we start. This stuff right here is like magic. You're not going to believe it. We're going to spray both sides and we're going to let it soak for around 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to be scrubbing it. I got this new brush from the Dollar Tree. I think you can get them at the Dollar General too, but this one actually did come from the Dollar Tree and it is working good. It's a real stiff brush. So we've scrubbed it. I've not rinsed it yet, and I'm going to let it sit there just a few more minutes. Look at that stuff that's coming off of there. The scrubbing bubbles work like magic. I never would have thought that you could use that in the kitchen. But I thought about giving it a try, and it does work. So now we're going to go ahead, look at that. The grease is just dripping off of it. So we're going to go ahead now and we're going to give it a rinse. And let's see how much comes out of this filter using the scrubbing bubbles. Look at that. All that's coming out of there for just one time. And I got to wash my sink too because it put black marks all over my sink scrubbing it. But that right there. So if you've got something with a lot of grease built up on it, give this scrubbing bubbles a try. You won't be disappointed. Okay, y'all. That's what you can do with some scrubbing bubbles. Looks a lot better. Mine's older, so it's still not perfect, but it's a lot cleaner than what it was. Get you some of these scrubbing bubbles. Okay, y'all, I hope you liked that video on cleaning this filter. It was very bad and it came pretty clean to be older to me. And this stuff right here is like magic. I'm going to see if I can come up with a recipe to make this homemade just as good as the scrubbing bubbles. But right now, we're going to be using this bottle up on some different ideas for cleaning things. I'll share more videos to come. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that hype button. It helps these videos get out there. Hit the thumbs up, and if you hadn't subscribed already, you might consider subscribing. Like always, thanks for watching. Happy cleaning. Looks pretty darn good to me.